Hi Year 8, this is a short video looking at decimals, fractions and percentages and how to move between each with more confidence. Here we have a table that describes decimals for us. The number we are presented with is 428.357. To understand decimals, we need to understand place value. Here on the left-hand side of our decimal point is our whole number component of the decimal. In the hundreds column, we have 4, so we have the number 400. In the tens column, we have 2, so we have the number 20 is represented. And in the units or the ones column, we have the number 8, and so we have 8 units. To obtain the number 428, we take this expanded form that's shown here next to the asterisk, add 400 to 20 and that to 8, and we end up with 428. On the right-hand side of our decimal point, we have the fractional component of our number, if you like. This 0.3, 5 and 7. We have in the first column always the tenths. In the second column to the right of the decimal point we have the hundredths. And in the third column to the right of the decimal point we have the thousandths. So we have in our column here 3 tenths. 3 tenths is represented by the fraction 3 over 10 and is demonstrated by the decimal 0.3 equals 3 over 10. We then in the hundredths column have 5. The fraction of 0.05 is given by 5 over 100. That equals 5 over 100. In the thousandths column, we have 7. The fraction for 7 in the thousandths column is 7 over 1000, and that is represented by 0.007, which equals 7 over 1000. In the same way as we add the expanded form on the left, we add the expanded form together on the right, so that we have 0.3 plus 0.05 plus 0.007, which gives us 0.357. We've worked out the fractional component on the right-hand side of the decimal point. Because we have a 7 in the 1000ths column, we can express this number 0.357 as equal to 357 over 1000. And so if we were to describe our decimal number here as a mixed numeral fraction, it would look like 428 and 357 over 1000. I'm sure you can understand why, based on this explanation, why scientists prefer to write 428 and 357.357, because it's easier to read and it's quicker to write, and it's basically a universal way of expressing a number that looks like this more simply.
Do prefix reports,
I cannot